Okay, this is going to be a role I'm going to fill to augment my cover letter. This is a job and I'm going to seek for while augmenting my cover letter. You know that when you're actually preparing a cover letter, it's quite different from your CV. And moreover, when you're preparing a cover letter, you're preparing a cover letter in lieu to a particular job. That means you're going to create different cover letter for different jobs. That's how it works. Okay, this is the rule. They said it's going to be a remote entry level. That means anybody can apply. Look at the job description and responsibility. You are looking for an organized professional virtual administrative assistant to handle communication with the company from a remote place position rather. What they are looking for here is someone that can handle communication. The key line of statement here is communication. I mean, this person could actually be verbally good in talking, writing, and in verbal communication. Someone that can is well organized, friendly, and very very casual in terms of while responding to clients. This is what they need, and this is how we're going to develop her CV. Okay, the next part I'm going to go to her CV now. Okay, this is going to be a cover letter. You understand? It's going to be a cover letter. We're going to augment it to look like the job position that we are seeking for. Okay, and let's start. Get back to you. Okay, as you can see, this is my name. This is where I'm from, and this is my phone number and my address, my email. One thing you need to do when you are creating a cover letter in lieu to job openings, your biodata should be in lieu to should be in cognizance with what you are doing. Like my email, I shouldn't be writing an email that does not represent my name because I'm going for a job. It's not just a casual kind of emailing or you understand. This is why my email is like this, and this is why my name is like this. Then the date, the DIM manager, because it's just I don't know the person that is actually doing the job. Then the first thing that will come to our mind is how did I come across this opening? That's the reason I said I'm excited applying for the role of a virtual executive assistant, which I saw, which I saw recently. So was recently posted in LinkedIn. I saw the work at LinkedIn. You understand? If it's going to be a newspaper, it's going to be a magazine, whatever you saw, it's going to be a TV, blah blah blah. Anything you think you, anywhere you feel you saw it from, or rather you saw the openings from, that's where you write. Then the second part is going to be the experience you have. Okay, I the first part of it I talked about where we got information of the job role from, which was on LinkedIn. And the second part is talking about your experience instead, your experience on previous roles and how it looked like, and your an educational qualification, which I placed here. The third paragraph talks about you in the role. What did you learn on the job? Do you understand? This was talking about the previous role and what I want you learned on the job. That's what I put here. During my work role as MC Odin, I've developed both written and verbal communication skills in an expert level. Also, I've learned how best to utilize from because the reason for this particular paragraph is because of the responsibility they requested from us, answering phone calls, scheduling meetings, and moreover, we check. It talk about assistance to handle all communication with the company from a remote position. Do you understand? So whatever you are writing should be in lieu, should be in cognizance with this job description. Do you understand? Let's go back to our work. You understand? The role, what you've learned on the role. I'm just trying to edit and see so that you see out where to edit and make it look fit for your own kind of position. You understand? Okay, that was that for that. And this other part is telling you, trying to let you tell that you are the best fit for the jobs, and based on your previous experiences and role, you can be able to do the job in expert's position. You understand? So, like I strongly understand this role, and I can say I'm the best fit for this job. With previous success in my role, as a well-organized administrative virtual assistant. If you check what they wanted an organized. So we are looking for an organized and professional virtual administrative assistant to handle communication. You need to make them see that you understand what they are requesting of. Sure, you understand? Then we organize virtual assistant at EMS Holding, coupled with years of experience in our communication space. It's talking about communication too. It's just like these are keywords that you impute in your cover letter. Just like when you are using SOE, search engine optimization in your content writing, these are just like keywords that will make your content to be seen in the cloud, or rather when you are browsing and when you are searching for anything online. You understand? I'm going to be okay. Coupled with years of experience in the communication space is just going to be another embodiment of success working at your company. I also enjoy working with like-minded people. This will tell you that like-minded people is going to be a team kind of work. Like you can just work. You don't necessarily work alone, but you can work with people. You can work with a team. Because one thing about businesses, or one thing about anything business or anything formal, it's going to be something you work with people. You learn to work with people, and you can easily work with people. You understand? And this is going to tell that you can actually work with people, and I'm ready to expand into a management position. Understand? This is the willingness for you to grow with the company. Understand? You are growing with the company now with this last line of statements. You are growing with the company. You're not just going to work with the company for part-time or temporarily. You intended to grow with the company. That's what every company will want. That's someone that is willing, that's open, that want to build with them and advance with them. Okay, that's for that. Say thanks for your time and for considering me for the role, for the position rather. I've attached my resume alongside. I wait in anticipation for your most considerate response. Sincerely, Ayodime. Okay, now there's one thing I want to tell you. This is not just for LinkedIn jobs and all that. Anywhere you get a job opening, this is how you coin your write-up. You understand? This is how you coin your write-up. It's not just for LinkedIn, any job opening. Make them understand that you understand what they require of you. You understand? This is how it works. And I will advocate that I will encourage us to get a Grammarly. Download the Grammarly, just register. It will help you make your work clear and help you check your spellings and grammar check. Even give you synonyms of words to use. You understand? If you check here, you are seeing a G and you are seeing 9. That 9 telling you that we have 9 unspelled words. Do you understand? We have 9 unspelled words. That's the one function of Grammarly. You can input it on your laptop or your computers, even on your phone, just like this. Do you understand? Then you come. Let's touch it now. You take us to what and what is not. It's not right. You understand? Okay. You're talking about my name. Let's just ignore that. Administrative. Okay, come here. Talking about sentence construction. I say I have 3 years of experience as a administrative. Look at what is now suggesting for us as an administrative assistant. That's it. Then skill in expert level. You come and get touch at an expert level. This is the function. Things are made easy for us. We are not 100% accurate in whatsoever we do. Understand? Then there's still under 1 year company. And I believe that's that. Ignore. You see now, correctness, Damien. Because Damien is an English name. Mine is Damien. It's not an English name, understand? I ignore. And I have to use as an administrative. Correct. Content correct. This is how it works. It's very easy to use. Correctness and okay. I will have to augment that myself. Let's just finish up with this first. Employee. I used employee and it's supposed to be employees. Travel for employees. Correct. So which other word again? Employees. Okay, I had actually made a mistake there. Correct. And I use have instead of has. Correct. And well organized. Supposed to be knifing. Correct. As well. Okay, I had mistake there. Organized. Okay, that's that. Okay, that's that. Then come back again here. Row, comma. You see it now. Sentence construction. Yeah, space, and that's that. We are done with check and all that. Okay, what and what again? That's that. It's very easy. It's just gonna be here. We're supposed to impute a signature. I didn't mean I was using WPS. There's a way we can actually impute digital signature. You understand? This is how it works. It's very easy. Just for you to coin your resume to look like what you are going for. Not to look like, to describe what you're going for. You understand? Let's go to look at the requirement again. Full-time, entry level, job description, organize someone, virtual assistant, responsibility, phone calls, respond to emails, instant requirements, high level, administrative, prior experience and administrative assistant, which we have already, verbal and written communication skill, which we have, fully computer literate. Since I didn't put that one, let me organize it, coin it inside. Okay. Okay, that will be that. I think that will not be necessary because the resume will actually take those keys and interests to understand. This is how your cover letter should look like. This is how it should look like. It's very easy to use. It's very easy. Anybody can just print layout. Then let's organize our work now. Okay, not from there. Understand? Just make it stand. Very easy. This is it. This is our cover letter. Checked. Understand? We're gonna be next. I'm going to talk about how to search for jobs and bid for jobs on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.